Let's make my 7-Eleven HottaUlam Lechon Sisig Rice Burger. First, let's go on a quick 7-Eleven run. HottaUlam haul! HottaUlam of choice, Rico's Lechon Sisig. Now time to cook. Prepare your garlic rice. And form into buns. Fry each side to make crisp edges. Then heat up the lechon sisig in the microwave. Transfer in the mold and top with an egg. And let it fry. Now time to assemble. Garlic rice bun, lettuce, sisig egg patty, mayo, and top with garlic rice bun. Quick, tasty, and budget-friendly lechon sisig rice burger. Enjoy!